Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your account number on the Nedbank app. It's really simple. So first, you need to log in with your Nedbank app using your PIN, ID, fingerprint, or Face ID. If you're not sure what this looks like, now you can see the app, or I'll show you in later video. So once you're logged in, tap on the More button on the right of the screen. Alright. This menu gives you access to additional options within the app. Now you'll see your banking profile number here. Right? It will be displayed at the very top of the screen. It's typically a 10-digit number starting with 3 or 4. And this will be at the top of the screen. So uh, if you're unsure about these steps, now just follow this steps here slowly, or you can pause the video to watch these steps here. That's it. If you don't see your account number, make sure the app is updated to the latest version. You can also contact Nedbank support for assistance. You can contact them here through this page. Click on help and servicing and we'll just ask any question, or you can contact their supports directly. Alright. So and that's for this video. You can easily find your account number using the Nedbank app. If you found this quick video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this one.